This is a 2022 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew with the Sport Package. Gray over black interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, electronic climate control, traction control, USBs for your phone, navigation, satellite radio. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, Raptor wheels, receiver hitch, lockable tailgate, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, tonneau cover. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford St. Pete, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.